with bump, set, win, technology, and beach volleyball. And his mentor is Dr. Stephanie Jackson.
Raise your hand if you like winning. Good, I'm glad we're on the same page. In sport, we might think to increase our odds of winning. We train to become bigger, faster, stronger. Training stress is called load. Load monitoring is how we make smarter training decisions. Training loads can be varied to reduce the risk of injury and increase performance. My name is Matt Tometz, and the title of my presentation is Bump, Set, Win, Technology in Beach Volleyball. NCAA Women's Beach Volleyball has grown over 130% in the last 6 years. My study will be the first to assess NCAA Women's Beach Volleyball and the first in all of beach volleyball to validate load monitoring measures. There are internal and external loads. Athletes train, they complete work, such as a number of throws or a number of miles. A throw is a throw, and a mile is a mile for everyone. That's external load. Athletes have a response to training, such as a changed heart rate or an altered psychological state. Each athlete will have their own individual increase in heart rate or degree of mental fatigue. That's internal load. Load monitoring is how we put actual numbers on the training stresses being experienced by the athletes. I asked myself 2 questions. First, are certain load monitoring measures valid? And second, what are the relationships between these measures? I monitored internal load in 2 ways. First, using heart monitors to track the athlete's heart rate during training. Second, I used Session Rating of Perceived Exertion, or SRPE, which is the athlete's own rating of how hard they felt they worked during training on a scale of 1 to 10. Finally, for external load, I used total distance covered in yards using GPS. From 13 athletes, I analyzed almost 600 data points from practice, conditioning, and games. I found a strong, significant relationship between heart rate load and SRPE load, meaning that simply asking the athletes for their own subjective rating of effort is a valid alternative for measuring internal load. For heart monitors, SRPE is free, easy to calculate, and it's scalable for bigger teams. I also found a strong, significant relationship between internal and external loads, meaning that the amount of distance covered in training should be taken into account as that will affect the athlete's internal load. So, how does this help us win? When it comes time to bump, set, and smash, we can continue working hard, but also work smarter, using load monitoring to keep our athletes healthy and increase the odds of